G'day, Baz here from buildsbybaz.com, and I thought I'd just take you for a short tour of some of the latest updates that I've done to the Viper. The biggest one being the canopy up there behind me. It was aluminium. The profile was 50 by 5mm. My problem is I can't weld aluminium to save my life, so I've changed to steel, gone for 40 by 3. It's reduced the profile a little bit, not overly noticeable, and it's also reduced the weight, considering that steel is just over twice the weight of aluminium. But still, it's not bad. I got it up there by myself without help, so it's not too heavy. Once the glass goes in there, make it a bit heavier, but I guarantee that if it was the real thing, it would probably be very thick glass, because it would have to survive a vacuum and possibly a couple of bullets. So yeah, it's not supposed to be light. Once it's on rollers, it won't be terribly hard to move anyway. I'll just pop around the other side there and just give it a slide. I've mounted it in rails here now. It's not on its rollers yet, but it is moving freely in the rails. I'll just jump around the other side and give you a bit of a look. Go. Slides all the way forward. And all the way back. There's a couple of things on the back end here that are just in the way. Once it's sitting up on its rollers, they won't be in the way anymore. So I'll free up the camera here now and just take you for a closer look. Bear with me. Turn the camera around. Alrighty. So here's our rails. A lot of digging to get them in there. I've still got to weld some tabs on the bottom of them and secure them underneath to each of the formers just to lock them in place. I've also replaced the headboard at the back there. Something I did not too long ago was I put in a whole heap of details inside. That top little area there didn't have any details in the show, so I was given a little bit of license to invent some of my own and maybe write a bit of BSG law. Anyway, been working on the cockpit. Just got this HUD secured properly now, and a lot of shaping on the nose here just to get the front of the windscreen here to slide over it. And once the glass is in, there's about 4.5mm thick of glass to go under that, so I've got to give that clearance to slide on that. And that's where we're at. Cheers. www.buildsbybaz.com